after the field engineer has completed the installation of the Symposium Express call center release. Software on the customer's supplied server and client PCs. The current product enhancement packages, PEPs, must be installed. One of the PEPs that must be installed is named NSGC. On which computer or computers will this PEP be installed? Option A. The server PC only. Option B. The standalone client PCs only. Option C. The server PC with the co-resident client only. Option D. The server PC with the co-resident client and the standalone client PCs. The correct answer is option D. Prior to the Symposium Express installation, how should the field engineer configure the CLAN with respect to the ELAN if more than one client PC will be used on the network? Option A. Ensure the two subnets masks are the same. Option B. Ensure the two subnets masks are different. Option C. Ensure the two subnets are the same. Option D. Ensure the two subnets are different. The correct answer is option D. How much free disk space should be available on the disk drive of a client PC containing the temp folder before the field engineer should attempt to install the Symposium call center server client software on the system? Option A. 40 megabytes. Option B. 10 megabytes. Option C. 25 megabytes. Option D. 100 megabytes. The correct answer is option D. During the Symposium Express call center release software installation, the customer requires the client application software be installed both as the co-resident client on the server PC and on several standalone client PCs. During the client application installation program on a standalone client PC is run, which additional software components will the field engineer see were not part of the co-resident client installation on the server PC? Option A. DMI, Sybase, and ODBC. Option B. MOS Platform, RAS, and SNMP. Option C. SQL Server, PC Anywhere, and Crystal Reports. Option D. MOS Client Base, SMI Workbench, and NCC Reports. The correct answer is option A.